Hey guys, welcome back to another video, guys. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post another video. So yeah guys, as you see by the title, I'm going to be doing my first try on all. So yeah guys, my first try on all, it's a mixture of Shein and Amazon, guys. So remember, rate the outfit and tell me which outfit you like the best. Not even outfit, just clothes, because me no must suit them out. So yeah guys, stay tuned. Remember to subscribe, guys. Do not watch the video and don't subscribe. Please subscribe, guys, and don't skip the ads as well. So yeah guys, let's get into. So yeah guys, outfit number one is a crochet romper, and the color is what they call this, I think musk. So yeah guys, normally you would wear this without a bra, but because of YouTube purposes I'm wearing a bra. So rate this outfit, guys. Rate this outfit, and I'm going to be putting the links down below for each outfit, guys. Just first let me find them on Shein, and this was bought on Shein, guys. On Shein, that's outfit number. Hey guys, this is the second outfit. It is a short set. What did they call it? Like, what they call it? I don't know what they call the material, but it kind of have a wash up, like the style is some, I don't know where it's at. But yeah guys, it's thick and it's a short set. So tell me what you think about outfit number two. I never expect outfit number two for that. I'm going now full 360 of outfit number two. Okay guys, so this now is outfit number three. I am loving the material, guys. It's really soft. Yeah guys, so this is outfit number three. Guys, I'm gonna be putting the names of the items on the thing. If we can't find a link, we just put the name on. You can search for it. So yeah guys, this is our next romper. Yeah guys, I love rompers. Yeah, I love this. Very soft, nice material. It's thick and it's breathable, guys, because it's as the styling. Come here. There. All right. So you guys, this is outfit number 3, 4, 6. Hey guys, this is outfit number 4, and it's a 2-piece. Wait, I put it on the wrong side. Tight. Wait, guys. Wait. It's outfit number 4. Wait. Look at me, should I size up? Yeah guys, it's a top. It's a big shirt top and tights. You know, seminary read the description good. Hey guys, it feel nice. Like it. The color is beautiful. It's an army. A soldier in the army coming to rescue you. Hey guys, so just the tights. The shirt alright, but the bottom could have little bit bigger, but it go up somewhere. Yeah guys, tell me what you think about outfit number 5. I think this is outfit number 5. Yeah, see me here. Hey guys, comfortable. Smell like foreign. You know, this you look like rich auntie. Yeah, you want your nice little crib. And you're good to go. So you guys, outfit number 5. Oh no, outfit number 4, guys. Sorry, outfit number 4. Yeah, guys, this is outfit number 5. It's a tight suit. The tights come long, come here down here. So I am loving the color. Yeah, you can tie. Some people wear tie, but me not gonna wear my own tie. You can pull. You see, then style it so like them pull it one side so open. So yeah, guys, tell me what you think about outfit number 5. And guys, the material, it's really nice. Why clothes it smell so good? Yay! It's giving you rich. Fit number 6. Loving the shorts, loving the blouse, guys. Tell me what you think about the shorts. I'm wearing a size 14XL. Yeah. If my man if
Yeah.
go
We do? Alright.
So yeah, guys, I'm gonna be styling the shorts with another top just like this, guys. It's a thick material, cotton. So yeah, guys, tell me what you think. The shorts, it's real jeans, guys. Yeah, looking very good. I love it. Me not know which outfit when I put on when I like the most. Or I don't know. All of them I like the same. So yeah, guys, it's up to you guys to compare which one of these outfits you like the most. So tell me. So I'm styling the shorts with this top. Yeah, guys, as you guys just seen, I style it with a green vest like shirt. Now I'm styling it with this blouse, and I'm loving the color, guys. Yeah, the orange and the pink goes very good together. So yep. So yeah, wait, tell me what you think, guys. This is me. Ooh, something that feels just as good as all them look. Comfortable, you look expensive, and you are comfy. So yeah, guys, and the shirt is short, but it not show up, you know, it not show up your cheeks, but it's short and looks nice, and it has a nice jeans wash color. So yeah, guys, this is outfit number 7. This outfit, guys, I didn't get it off Shein, I got it off Amazon. You wear a different bra with it, guys. A different bra, or you go without bra, depends. So it's a workout suit, or you can just, you know, run errands in it. It's very comfortable. The way comfortable, guys, I bought 2 and I want to buy more. So this is the gray color one. Yeah, tell me what you think about it. That's it. So yeah, guys, this is the end of my try on all, guys. Hey guys, it's the end of the try on all guys. I bought these shorts of Shein. It's a little bit too small. The size is I think it's 30. I think it's size 30 guys. If you are interested in getting these shorts, it's jeans like Fashion Nova style. So yeah, guys, please, if you want the shorts, just DM me or leave a comment down below in the link in the description below. Shorts on sale.